My name is Jason Mascari. I'm a nurse practitioner here at Flawless MedSpa. I specialize in hormone replacement therapy, medical weight loss, injectables such as neuromodulators like Botox and Dysport, and fillers, and skin rejuvenation. Hormone replacement therapy has changed incredibly over the few years that I've even been around. It's no longer using synthetic hormones. We are using bioidentical hormones derived from plants. Signs that you may need or may need some help with hormones could be, are you having a lot of mood swings? Are you irritable? Is your sexual desire and drive extremely low? Those are all signs that something may be off in your body, hormonally related. People walk around in this world thinking, oh, it's just a part of aging. Wrong. You don't have to feel bad. The tests that are used are extremely specialized, and oftentimes I use the saliva test. I will review that panel with you, and I can discuss any of the little minute changes that I need to make to your prescription and your medication. Here at Flawless, we offer a lot of services that complement weight loss and hormone replacement therapy just perfectly. Some of those include our Scarlet, which is SRF microneedling. You're also going to have CoolSculpting, which can sort of help debulk certain areas that weight loss program wasn't able to hit.